Hey Cinderella, so this is week number 2 with Hey Cinderellas, welcome. Okay, let's do it again. Hey Cinderellas, welcome back to my channel. It's week number 2 of quarantine, and if you guys don't know me already, I'm Barbie with Cinderella Brides, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick makeup tutorial with the new Artistry Studio collection. And I have some of the products here. I'm really excited to work with them and play with them. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put my base on really quickly, just the face, and then I'll be right back.
Oh, that's all right.
Blend. Hey Cinderella, so I'm back and my base is on, my face is on. And we're gonna work on the eyes now. I wanna show you some of these new products. So I love this, I'm using the Ginza Chai Latte. It's a eyebrow pen. And if you are familiar, if you've used an eyebrow pen and don't mind my nails, because nail salons are closed, nails are gonna come off later today. I'm gonna film a tutorial on how to take these things off too. But I love this pen because it actually gives you like almost like real brush strokes with your like hair brush strokes. And I love it because it kind of does the work for you. There you go, you can kind of see that it just does like the real brush strokes for you. And it looks super, super natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on my eyebrows, all right? I like to comb them through. So even before I start with like actually filling in my brows, I like to kind of comb them through, make them like nice and neat. And I like liquid for my brows because it helps them to stay in place. Okay, so there it goes. I picked this color because my hair is a little bit lighter, so I didn't want something super dark. Darker eyebrow colors make your eyebrows stand out too much. And even when you do this, if you want to keep like a little lash and brow comb with you, you can kind of like even push the product through and make it look really, really nice. And I haven't even got a chance to do my eyebrows. Nothing is open, so we do what we gotta do with what we have. All right, so I'm gonna do the other side now. And same thing, I'm gonna kind of draw my parameters, my boundaries first. And I love that this point is like super, super thin, if you can kind of see it. I love that it is because it really gives me precision on how and where I want the product to go. Okay, brows are done. And I'm gonna work on creating, you guys know me, I like more of a natural look. I'm home, but I still wanna kind of like, you know, just do it up a little bit. And so before I even go in, I'm gonna show you, and I love combining the Artistry Studio collection products because I think they work so, so well together. But I'm gonna be using the creamy like eyeshadow. It's in Gold Crush. That's the name of the shadow, there it is. I'm just gonna use my finger. I think that's, for me, that's the easiest way to apply. And because of cream-based products, I always close them right away because I don't want them to get dried out. All right, so here we go. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of it like right in the beginning of my eyelid. All right, that's on. I love already how it looks. Okay, now that that's on, I'm gonna go right ahead and I'm going to take some of this this pretty color. You can see it right here. It's like a light shimmery gold. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it a little bit on the outer corners of the eyes. Oh, you can kind of see it already. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of the darker color right here. And I'm gonna put it at the edges, the corners. And I'm actually gonna use like a fluffier type of brush for this. All right, dip some of that in there. And start to create a little bit more dimension. What I'm gonna do next next is I'm going to take this color. This is like more of like a matte color, and put it right into the crease. I love how this is looking. It's almost like reminding me like a very textured type of eyeshadow look with golds and bronzes. And the nice thing is you can always go back and you can add or take away whatever does not look good, because you can go right over it. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with my baby dark brown eyeliner. I just want to fill in a little bit. I have really big eyes, so I want to fill in a little bit of my upper waterline area. I want it like tight line, and maybe also give myself a little bit of liner inside. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, now that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, and I'm gonna use this mascara base primer. Guys, if you don't know, primer is everything. You need to definitely make sure that you're priming your eyes, your lashes, if you want more of a fuller, thicker lash. Whoa. All right, next, lash boosting mascara.
Oh, that's all right.
And I'm starting with Long Wand first. And you can see it, you can turn it and make it like shorter to like separate, which I'll be doing afterwards. All right. So I'm gonna be using this Harajuku Brown, also colorful mascara. And my motto is you can never have enough mascara. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how many of you guys use like a brown mascara, but I really like brown mascara also. Ooh, look at that. Let me do this in the camera for you.
That's all right.
Okay, now that that's done, you can see the lashes. Look how long they look. Next, I am going to add some blush. Ooh. I'm going to use the Kimono Pink blush from the Tokyo collection. And all you do is you open it up, you take it off, and then very lightly you're going to smile and tap it on. You have to unlock it. Also, just something the way you use it, there's a little arrow. You can see that. You have to follow the arrow and unlock it. If you want more product out, if you don't, then so I just unlocked it. I had a little bit already on there. I want a little bit more. Ooh, that's a lot. And so if that happens to you, take your fluffy. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I love this Bangkok Body and Face Shimmer Gel that was part of the previous collection. And so I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it on the top of my cheekbones or wherever else I want a little bit of shimmer. Ooh, what's that? There we go. I am absolutely loving the shimmer on my face. It's just giving me life right now, even though I'm stuck at home. Skin looking so nice and clear. Okay, last thing I'm gonna do is the 2-in-1 matte lip crayon. So I'm gonna show you the color actually. I love this color. It's like really pretty. It gives you like a very natural look when you throw it on. Oh, it's so nice. It's called, it's Spiced Goddess from the Bangkok edition. All right, let me take this headband off, Cinderella. All right, Cinderellas, I hope you enjoy this. I had to throw on some lashes because I felt like this look really needed it. So hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial with the Artistry Studio collection. And stay beautiful, stay healthy. Love you girls, bye.